Hello friends, I am Dr. Ekta Tiwari. Today we are going to discuss about the correlation between the homeopathy and the mental health. So whenever psychological blockages occur, our emotional energy is not only repressed but it also attacks certain key organs such as heart, colon, because these are used as new pathways for the expression of the feelings. So when under the emotional pressure, certain patients reacts with an attack of the asthma, angina, colitis, depending upon which particular organ is sensitized and use an outlet. So it is always more healthy for an individual to express the feelings directly, rather it is more threatening when expressed through an organ, because these are not designed to convey such intense feelings. Homeopathy aims at the reintegration of the total self with the reduction of the unhealthy psychological blockages, and the homeopathic prescription and the general approach towards the patient helps to reduce the denial of the painful memories and the hurts which are brought to the surface, recalled, discussed and understood. This naturally leads to the strong personality with the confidence, being able to tolerate the mixed feelings and the painful memories which were previously thought impossible, with the lessening of the psychological and the physiological symptoms. So the greatest advantage of the homeopathic treatment in the psychological problems is that it avoids any kind of the drug addiction which is so commonly exists in the allopathic system of the medicine, and the homeopathic remedy can be stopped safely at any time without any physiological or the psychological withdrawal symptoms. So here we can understand how the homeopathy is beneficial for our mental health, and how the homeopathic prescription based on the individualization helps to reduce the physiological and the psychological symptoms and create a strong personality with a confidence. Thank you.